Perfect. You did great.
You guys, we're always getting safer with Schaeffer, with your go-to insurance agent, John Schaeffer. John, here's the thing. We want people to understand what an independent agent is, which is what you are, but kind of explain that to me.
So an independent agent is an agent who has multiple companies to write with, and that's what I am. There's a difference between it and a captive agent. So your captive agent is like a State Farm, American Family, Allstate, where they may only have one avenue of business, and we got several avenues. So if I have a customer and the rates go up in one company, I can turn around and reshop them with another company I've got.
Yeah.
So as you can see on the screen, we'll have multiple companies that we write for: Auto Owners, Progressive, Foremost, Hagerty, Nationwide. So when I get those quotes that come into me, what I can do is shop all the different companies and see what the best rate is, because every company is looking for something different. It could be great credit, no accidents, or if you've got a few accidents and tickets, maybe I have another company over here, Progressive, that'll take you on. So
yeah, in addition to being able to shop those different companies, would you say there's other perks in going with an independent agent rather than the captive?
Right, yeah. So what we have is we personalize your service here. We've had several years of experience, and then with us, we kind of look at some of the renewals coming up, and if they're really high, we look at anything that increases over 25%. We really look at shopping that company and see if we can get you a better rate. Maybe move you over here, and it may be best that your auto is in one company and your home is in a different company that we have. We can do that and still get you a bundled discount, even though we've got it in-house. As opposed to a captive office, you have to have your home and auto with the same company.
Yeah.
So that's one thing that differentiates us. We're a family-owned company. We've been here for 21 years. We've got 2 locations. I've got an office in Kimberly City. So if customers don't want to drive up here, I can drive down there and meet them in the morning, have an appointment down there at Kimberly City, and we have the office here in Springfield here.
Yeah, kind of meeting people where your reach is a little bit wider.
Right, yeah. And what's great about it is, we get a lot of, rates are going to go up this time of year. We've had huge losses. So you'll look for a lot of homeowners increases this year and auto increases. We've seen it, and what we do with our clients is reshop that insurance and just get the best rate we can for them. Or we kind of just say, hey, you got the best rate with a lower deductible, you just need to stay there. So we really personalize that customer's portfolio of insurance.
Yeah. What would you say the difference is then of maybe having that more personal relationship with your agent?
I think with that, what happens is the customer, they'll feel free to reach out to us versus not, responding or getting kind of frustrated. Maybe their rates went up and they start complaining, and maybe that gets into their bank account, especially coming up at Christmas time.
Yeah.
Where can we save them money at? It may be just as us coaching them and be like, hey, can you afford to take a higher deductible? Maybe you do a higher deductible on your house, a $2,500 or $5,000, and that could save you a lot of money on that home and bring down your monthly rate on your mortgage. So that's one good thing about us is, we're experts in the business, and we just try to make sure and help that client and what suits them the best.
Yeah, that's a big win for sure. All right, so people want to get a hold of you, want to get that kind of more personal relationship and that independent agent perk. How do they get a hold of you?
So with Safer with Schaeffer, we're actually on Facebook too. You can reach out on Facebook, message me. You can call me at 417-766-4689. If you have your camera, your phone on you, open up that camera app, scan that QR code. You can actually get a quote right there just by filling that out. Goes right to my office, and we can get you quoted up. So there's several different ways to get a hold of me, but feel free to reach out anytime. Even if you're with another company and want me to look your stuff over, I do that for free. And if I can't help you, I'll let you know. So.
I love that. A little added perk. All right, well, John, thank you so much. Safer with Schaeffer, your independent agent. Give him a call.